Distance 2.96 miles. Average pace 15 minutes 8 seconds per mile.
I'm already out jogging, enjoying the lovely sun. Why don't you come and join us? It's really good. I feel fresh in my body. I feel happy. Working out is very good. It releases chemicals in the body that make you happy. So instead of staying in your bed, worrying about bills, worrying about many things, after praying, get out and work out, okay? And run, do many exercises you can afford. You don't have to worry. Bina's jacket has fallen down. But it's good to work out anyway. That's part of it. So, I want to hear from you. Are you working out? Are you eating healthy? I'm wishing you the best. I'm praying for you that all goes well. Eat a lot of protein, go girl. A lot of veggies. See, these wonderful ladies are working out. Some of them are our seniors, but they come out and they jog, they jump, they do all sorts of exercises. So you too can work out. It's a blessing from God. Some Christians are busy praying, fasting, believing God for healing, which is very good. Do understand me, but seriously, we need to apply wisdom. You have also to add on working out, exercising. You know, the way this body was created, was made, it is meant to move, jump, run, dance, you know, rest. Even resting is part of, you know, keeping your life healthy. So please be encouraged and work out. Don't be discouraged. Don't look at yourself and say, oh, look at me, I'm a gone case. You are not a gone case. You can start today. If you start today, by next year around this time, you would have shed off some calories. And if you make it a lifestyle, I promise you, your life will never remain the same. So make sure you work out. And every day, try to do some squats. It's important for your calves and also to work on your abs. So I'm going to work on my abs while standing. You don't, if you are in the park, you don't have to worry, you know, looking for where to go. All you do is to put your legs a bit wide and suck in your stomach and work on those abs. Okay? You can be fast. Always remember to suck in your stomach. Make sure you suck it in. Or you can. Or you can be a bit fast. Either way. Oh, now let's do some squats. Squats are so important for the legs. You need them. At least if you can do 100 squats a day, you'll be done. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you can do this. Okay, thanks for watching and keep on working out. Eat a lot of veggies, drink a lot of water, eat fish, eat chicken. See, these lovely ladies are all working out. Be encouraged. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Please forward this video to someone, encourage them to work out. Welcome to join our Keep Fit page. God bless you. Thank you.